Imagine this. While most people struggle on one paycheck, the wealthy collect money from multiple streams: real estate, dividend stocks, royalties, online businesses, even licensing deals. Their money works harder than they do, multiplying fortunes. Want to know how to do the same? Welcome back to Wealth in Billions, your guide to financial intelligence, passive income, and generational wealth. If you're ready to make money while you sleep and transform your future, you're in the right place. Cash flow doesn't magically appear, you build it. Here are proven streams of financial freedom. Rental real estate. Buy undervalued properties, rent them, let tenants cover the mortgage while equity grows. Dividend stocks. Own shares in reliable companies that pay steady income. Warren Buffett mastered this. Digital assets. Create online courses, e-books, or subscriptions. Build once, earn forever. Licensing and royalties. Turn intellectual property, books, or patents into checks. Small business ownership. Build or buy automated businesses, e-commerce, franchises, or service models. The wealthy never rely on one stream. They diversify, so if one slows, others keep flowing. But here's the secret. Cash flow creates freedom. Net worth builds an empire. The smart play. Turn one into the other. Here's how. 1. Reinvest income into appreciating assets like stocks, real estate, or business equity. 2. Leverage wisely. Borrow cheap. Multiply gains. Avoid reckless debt. 3. Use tax-efficient strategies, deductions, depreciation, and advantaged accounts. 4. Hunt undervalued opportunities. Buy assets when others panic. The wealthy treat every dollar like a soldier with one mission: multiply. And they don't just build money, they build systems. Automate reinvestments so money compounds without effort. Diversify across classes to protect against downturns. Add income streams continuously. Document strategies so future generations continue the legacy. That's how wealth transforms from millions to billions through compounding and continuity. Most people fail not from lack of opportunity but from lack of consistency. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't let new money vanish into spending. Stay patient during downturns. Billionaires know markets move in cycles. Track both cash flow and net worth monthly, because what gets measured grows. Wealth isn't just about you. It's about creating a foundation for generations. So, here's your challenge. Pick one cash flow stream this month: real estate, stocks, digital assets, or royalties. Start small, but start now. Reinvest consistently, track progress, and watch your wealth expand. Comment below. Which income stream will you build first? And don't forget to subscribe for more wealth building strategies here on Wealth in Billions. Remember, cash flow fuels net worth, and net worth fuels freedom.